Mark Jefferson Golding, born on the 19th of July 1965 in Mona, St. Andrew, Jamaica, is a lawyer, businessman, and politician who currently serves as the leader of the opposition and president of the People's National Party, PNP. He is the son of Sir John Golding, a British-born orthopedic surgeon who pioneered rehabilitation medicine in Jamaica, and Patricia Levy, who was of Jamaican and Australian parentage. Mark grew up in a family deeply rooted in public service, and he is the younger of two children. He attended Mona Preparatory School and Campion College in Jamaica before continuing his education in the United Kingdom at Marlborough College and later at the University of Oxford, where he graduated with a first-class honors degree in law. He also pursued further studies at University College London, UCL. Professionally, Golding was admitted to the Jamaican bar in 1990 and practiced law at Hart Muirhead Fada. He co-founded Daring Bunting and Golding, DB&G, in 1992, Jamaica's first private investment bank, and later helped establish Proven Investments Limited in 2010, one of the region's leading investment firms. Over the years, he also served as a director on several major boards, including Grace Kennedy and the Bank of Nova Scotia, Jamaica. His political career began in 2007 when then Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller appointed him to the Senate. From 2012 to 2016, he served as Minister of Justice, overseeing key reforms including the decriminalization of marijuana. In 2017, he was elected Member of Parliament for South Andrew, and in November 2020, he rose to leadership of the PNP, succeeding Dr. Peter Phillips, and assumed the role of opposition leader. On the personal side, Mark has been married to Sandra Golding since 1990, and together they have 3 children. While exact figures are not publicly verified, his successful career in law and finance has led to reports estimating his net worth at approximately $166 million, though this figure remains unofficial. Known for his calm leadership style, legal expertise, and commitment to Jamaica's social and economic progress, Golding continues to play a central role in Jamaica's development role in shaping the island's political landscape.